Hey peeps. Okay, we're going to make a quick video. You're going to say, Terry, you always say that, but no, this really is. So sometimes I need to make a really quick card and I don't have time to come up with some great background or, design. So I found these cards at Michael's and I love them. I keep them on hand. So I'm going to be using this one. This one I really love the way it comes in like a little book. And there's tons of them. Like here's a whole pack that just say happy birthday. Plain. I accidentally pulled that one out. They all have the matching, they have envelopes in them. Here's the one that I used. Looks like there's 10 or so. I haven't counted them. Add a little confetti to each day. Shout hooray. And cupcakes. So this one is clearly their birthday theme. But they have a ton of them. They have thank you. They have just florals. And I got this when it was like 70% off, so they practically paid me to take it. So keeping something like that on hand is really a good idea. And for those of you who are new to card making, it's a great way to start because you're going to see I'm going to take this card that already had color and design and just add a few embellishments to it, and then I'll have a super cute card. I also want to show you these I keep on hand. I typically, for my card bases, use an 80-pound stock. This isn't that thick, but it's not bad. It's definitely, I would use it. And as you can see, I've taken the lid off, and I keep it in a drawer just ready to grab when I'm in a hurry. So those are a great way to get a base of your card started. So I'm going to make a happy birthday card. I'm using the Happy Everything from Mama Elephant, the coordinating die that goes with it. I've already cut it out so you didn't have to wait on me to do that. So this is just a die cut happy. And I'm going to take it through my Xyron. If you don't have one of these, you gotta get one. They have them at Joann's, Michael's, and obviously use your 40% off coupon. So you put it in, pull it through, and I have now turned it into a sticker. Press on it really well. You've turned it into a sticker because these are really hard to glue down, these really delicate die cuts. So I love this. They have bigger ones so if you want to use bigger, so they have different sizes of Xyrons. Now what happens sometimes with them is if I were to just go peel it off right now, I'd have like sticky cobwebs kind of things that I got to get out of the middle. So I take a stylus, anything, you could use a stylus, you can use the end of a paintbrush, and I outline the letters, and that kind of gets rid of the, you'll see when you do something like this, the little pieces that get stuck in the middle, and so this will help to eliminate those. So I just go around, like I say, it's not a requirement, I just do it because it makes it a lot easier. There's a bad glare here. I hope that my camera is working okay. Okay, good enough. So that's down. I want to put it at a little bit of a slant. All you do then is peel off the top piece. And this is now a sticker. With these kind of delicate ones, you don't want to pull it really hard. You could break the letters in between the text. So I'm going to put it at a little bit of a slant and just stick it down. And look how easy that was to adhere. Adhering something that delicate with a glue pen or something is a lot more challenging. Now, for this next piece, you can just stamp it if you want, or I'm going to emboss birthday. I already have one done, but I'm using a matte because this has like a texture to it, and I don't have my other matte out here, so I'll use that. So I've already got my stamp on. The stamp that I'm using for birthday is from the Alta New Halftone Happy collection, so it's just the birthday one out of there. I happen to just like it. It was a little larger than the one that came in the Mama Elephant set. So you want to take something, some of you probably have a powder thing like this or the bag. I prefer the bag. Wipe it across, it gets the static off. That way you don't have loose embossing powder that sticks around and messes it up. So we're going to emboss this. I prefer to start with a larger piece and then cut it down versus trying to cut the piece and then emboss on it. Got the wrong one. So I'm going to use some Versamark. Get it inked up really good. I'm going to put it about where I think it belongs, but I have room for wiggle. Stamp it down a little well. I'm going to use a silver embossing powder from Stampin' Up, but I have them from other manufacturers as well. So no, yeah, back of a paper that's messed up. So notice, nice, clean, no extra embossing powder because I use that anti-static bag. Now, this heat tool to me is the bomb. This is the one from Ranger. It gets hotter, faster, and it doesn't have such a force that it blows papers and things around, but it's very hot. They say let it heat up a few seconds before. I've not really noticed anything different. For those of you who may be watching that are new to card making, notice how that turned shiny now. So we're embossing, giving it a little bit of texture, and you know when you're done because it had a very flat look to the powder and now it's shiny. So all I'm going to do now is cut it down. Where's my small cutter? To the size that I want it. It's like, how close do I want the words? So the reason I do it this way is it's a lot harder to get your text exactly where you want it if you're trying to do it on a little, if you're trying to emboss on a little tiny piece of paper. Now the bummer is I just messed up because that is fatter than I wanted, but we're going to go ahead and go with it just for the sake of time. The easiest way to give it that little fishtail look for that banner cut on the end is to just cut in the middle, a little slit up, and then go from the corner. So half of it's going to go up this way, and the other half is going to go this way. There you go, and you get the little banner end. So let's see. Yeah, that's definitely a little wider than I wanted it, but we're moving forward anyway. You put some, I love to pop things up, so I'm going to put some foam adhesive on the back. And no, I probably didn't need 3, but I'm the type who uses way more than I need to. And I'm going to plop it right there. Then, let me cover up my Versamark. You could use anything, enamel dots, hearts, stars, whatever. I'm going to use these enamel stars, and I have them out of the package, so I can't tell you where they're from because I don't remember. But I love these because you can see they have a bunch of colors that coincide with the card. So let me get, where is it? Well, crud. You know, this time I thought I'm going to have there it is, everything out. I like to use my poker. I'm sure this has another name, but I call it my poker. Just to lift things up, it makes them a lot easier to put down. So let's get a heart. I'm going to go ahead and take a bigger heart, since this is bigger than I wanted, and stick it on the end of that banner. And then we all know we should do things in 3s, so I'm going to put a little gray one on here. And let's do a green one. There, look how cute that is. So that is a totally cute handmade card. Just took a very small amount of time. Obviously, you don't have to go through the embossing. You can make it even quicker if you just simply stamp birthday on there. It's always nice, though, if you're going to have part of it flat stuck down, that you want to pop something up. So a banner is a nice way to do that. Always decorate the inside. I don't have any stamps out to do that, but I would normally. But I do want to show you, where's the one I want? Sometimes I have a stamp set and nothing really good that appears to go, you know, for a image or something on the front of my card. I mean the front of my envelope. So I will take washi tape. This is the fastest, easier way to make a super cute envelope. And I take it a little longer than the envelope. I will show you why. Because on my envelopes, I don't want that rip look. I like it nice and clean, so this is an old hotel key, gift cards, anything like this. You hold it down, pull it, and now I have a nice straight cut. That's kind of the reason I left a little end here, so I have something to get a hold of. Put that card down, and again, I have a nice straight edge. So that is a super cute envelope to go with that card, and it wasn't really hard to decorate, just a little washi tape. So that's it today. Super quick video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more card making, scrapbooking, planners, Bible journaling, all kinds of crafty goodness going on. I hope to hear from you guys in the comments below. Say if you have any of these, do you like them? Look at the shimmer on that. That's so cute. You know, right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.